In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register a new device for Barclays Online Banking. If you've just upgraded your phone or added a tablet, this quick guide will help you get everything set up securely. To begin, download the official Barclays app on your new device from your trusted app store. Once it's installed, open the app, make sure you're on a stable internet connection so the setup goes smoothly from start to finish. On the welcome screen, tap I have a Barclays account. This option is designed for existing customers who want to bring their online banking over to a new device, so you won't be creating anything from scratch. Next, you'll verify your identity. The app will guide you to confirm who you are using your debit or credit card and your PIN. Keep your card nearby so you can enter the requested details accurately. Only enter your PIN within the secure prompts in the app and never share it with anyone. If it's more convenient, you can choose the alternative method and verify using a device you've already registered. That option is especially handy if your old device is still accessible and you'd like to speed things up. After your identity is confirmed, the app will ask for your phone number so it can send you an activation code. Enter the number you use for banking alerts and make sure your device can receive texts right now. If you're traveling or using dual SIMs, ensure the correct line is active for messaging. When the activation code arrives, type it into the app exactly as shown. These codes are time sensitive and single use, so it's best to enter it as soon as you receive it. Some devices may even suggest the code automatically. If so, review it and confirm. Once the code is accepted, the app will let you know that your new device has been successfully linked to your Barclays account. That's your confirmation that everything worked and you're ready to bank on this device with the same secure access you're used to. Barclays allows you to register up to 6 devices for online banking. This gives you flexibility to have both a phone and a tablet set up, or to keep a backup device ready when you need it. And that's it. Your new device is now ready to use. You can open the Barclays app anytime to check your balance, move money, and manage your accounts with confidence, knowing your registration is complete and secure.